Hello everyone, welcome back to the React.js course. So we are going to continue in our topic of communication between the client, which is the React app, the user, whatever person is using your web app, and the server or the backend. A backend, if you want, like when I say backend, I mean like the server plus the database. But now we're only focusing on the server. In the next video, we're going to start introducing the database, where we're storing all our information regarding, let's say, for example, if you have a web app that has a login and a sign up, we need to have a database, a place where to store all the people that are signing up and signing in into our web app. Okay, so that's a problem for later. In this video, we are going to focus on how to catch an error in case it happens in from the front end side or the back end side, and we are going to also introduce what Nodemon is, as promised in the last video. Okay, so first of all, let's remind you that last time we used Axios, which is a React library, and also we use the same endpoint that we use in other videos, and we said that the server is like a big door and we need a key. Okay, so we know that where's the server is, but we need a specific key to be entering this or if you want to be communicating with the server. And we also introduce promises, which is because fetch and access are asynchronous if you want actions, so we do not know when the server is going to get back our response. So that's why we need a dot then or a promise, meaning that whenever the fetch is done and we got the response back from the server, please console.log, let's say for example, the response data. Okay, so um, with every dot then, okay, we need always to catch the error in case it happens. Okay, so if you have a dot then, it's always advisable to catch the error, to if you want, that it's the same for the try and catch. If you are guys familiar with the programming, whether it was in Python, Java, whatever, there's always a try and catch. So that's why we need always to add a catch error. Okay, and we need to console that log error in case it happens. So that is a way of debugging in case we had a problem in the backend. So I'm gonna create a program right now. So instead of sending answer is even, I've sent the two divisible divide by zero, and I'm gonna save this index.js. I'm gonna stop my server and run it again. Don't forget, whenever you when you edit something in the file of index.js, you need to stop the server and run it again. And let me go to the React app and first inspect elements so we can see the console, and let me send 6, for example. Okay, so as we can see here, we have it in oncut in promise. Okay, it shouldn't be oncut actually, because we have caught it, so I think we did not save that. Yes, we didn't. So let me, okay, so let me now send 8. Okay, so as we can see, we have this access error, okay, which it has a body, and it could describe the error that happens at code 500, meaning that there's something that happened with the server. And if you investigate more in these keys and values, you can see maybe what was the error. So it's a very effective way to debug your application in case something happened in the backend side. Okay, so it's totally advisable whenever you have dot then, please do add a catch error, so whenever an error happens, okay, it should console.log inside of the web app. And also it stops the server. If you can see here, whenever an error happened, it detected it and also stopped the server, and it could not we cannot communicate with it anymore. Okay, so that was for the catch, and we are going also to install a package in Node.js, which is Nodemon. And what Nodemon does actually is, you saw that whenever we are editing something in the back end, we needed to, let me get back. Okay, we needed to save and stop the server and run it again. So to save ourselves from doing that, we are going to install Nodemon, which saves us from doing that. So I'm gonna first nodemon, okay, and press enter. And excuse me, npm. I don't know why I typed in node. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to install. Okay, okay, that's downloading. Okay, and after that, instead of using node index.js, we are going to use nodemon index.js. And now you can see that Nodebon is running. So whenever I'm changing something in the backend, let's say for example, 2 divisible by 0, I save, you see it saves automatically and runs the server again. So we don't have to each time stop the server and run it again. So that was it for this video. It was a short video introducing the catch error and also Nodemon. So if you have any questions, don't forget to put your the questions on the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer all of your questions. And I would like to thank you all for watching the videos and for all your nice comments. I hope I am helping you towards your new adventure in web development. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.